Thanks for joining us as we put in a new septic system and a new well.
So here is the old 1950s septic tank. It's now buried, but if you look back here, we will see here's the drain field. The drain field runs all the way in here. Drain field comes out to here and ends about right here. What is wrong with this picture? Over here is the well. And the well is only 23 feet deep. Literally 5 paces away from where all the poop goes. This is wrong. So we need to abandon the well and abandon the septic system and build a new one.
Here we are. This is David digging a new drain field. It was, we overbuilt it. It's 650 foot of drain field and a very, very large septic tank that you'll see lowered in shortly. 1,500 gallons, enough for the entire property. In the background, you'll see we have a mobile home on the property it needs to serve. A lot of digging, a lot of tree removal, a lot of pipes, very expensive. And here's his grave-like hole that he did such precision. Unfortunately, we were out of town and couldn't film it directly, so these were done from some shots. Here's the 1,500 gallon septic tank being lowered by crane into this grave-like hole. Once again with precision. This is our security camera catching this footage, as you see. And we had to test it, so we have 1,500 gallons of water going into it from a water truck since we have no water on the property. And we can test for the county, and here it is full of water and being hooked up. That's a clean out. And that's finally we can hook it up. And here the guys showed up to put the new well in. I had to cut a couple of trees down and move some stuff, but they are ready to drill the new well. And it was quite the process. And they went down 67 feet and they told me if we go any further, we're going to hit salt water. So we had to get a 3,000 gallon water tank to help out. And here we are lowering the very scary water tank. We thought it was going to kind of fall on its own, but it wasn't as bad as you might think. So we just have to hook up the rest of the water purification system and the lines and the electricity, and we'll have water to the
Like
property.
a big wagon wheel.